In this video, you will learn how to use the online calculator to solve problems with mixed numbers. In order to type a mixed number into the online calculator, the first thing that you need to do is type in the whole number. So, for example, if we wanted to type the mixed number 12 and 3/4, the whole number is 12, so I'm going to type 12. And then in order to type in the 3/4, I'm just going to hit this fraction button over here and then put in my fraction, 3/4. So now this reads 12 and 3/4. So that's how we type in a mixed number. So let's practice this. Here's our first problem. It says, Brandon has 132 and 11/14 inches of yarn. He buys 23 and 4/13 more inches of yarn. How many inches of yarn does he have in total? Okay, so let's go ahead and work through this. First one is 132 and 11/14 inches. These are not fun numbers to say. Okay, so we need to type that in there. So we're going to say 132 and 11/14. Okay, so that's what he starts with. And then he is buying more yarn. So we're going to be adding to his already large supply of yarn. We're going to add to that. So I'm going to hit the plus button. And we're going to add 23 and 4/13. So again, type my whole number first. 23. And then hit the fraction button, fraction notation over here. And then type 4/13. So when we add these two numbers together, these two mixed numbers together, we get this as our answer. And this is our answer as a decimal. So you can either express your answer like this. Your teacher may ask you to round it. Or you can hit this button and it will convert it to a fraction. So this is your answer as a fraction. This is your answer as a decimal. At this time, I want you all to pause the video and try to answer this problem using the online calculator. So go ahead and pause the video. At this point, you should have already solved this problem. So let's go ahead and answer it. We have 23 and 8/15 plus 7 and 6/11. So I'm going to type in my whole number first. That's 23. Hit my fraction button and then type in 8/15. And I am adding it to 7 and 6/11. So type in the whole number first. That's 7. Hit my fraction button. 6/11. And you all should have gotten this number as a decimal, or if you hit it again, you get this fraction as your answer. Either one of those would have worked. Okay, so you've learned how to use the online calculator to solve problems with mixed numbers. Remember, just type in your whole number first and then hit the fraction notation button and type in your fraction.